Meron bang empleyado na ang pang-apelyido ay Almelor sa PTB4, Madam Sponsor?
You say the name again, please.
Almelor.
Melor. Ayan po.
Dominic. Okay, yan sino.
Okay.
Okay. Meron. And who is this guy and what is his position? Kasi ang dami ng reklamo against him. Nakarating na pati sa RTIA, pati dito sa Senate. Saksakan daw ng pagka... ano ba magandang term dito? Ano? Okay. Kasi hindi maganda ito. Okay. Saksakan daw ng pagkabuli nito. Binubuli daw lahat ng mga empleyado. Sa konting kasalanan, nagagalit, naninigaw, etc. etc. At nangaharas, verbal abuse, etc. Anyway, mga female reporters, writers, producers, etc. Wala naman siguro magsusumbong kung walang ginagawa itong si Mr. Almelor. So the fact that many employees from PTB4, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, did come to my office to complain, well, that means there's something really wrong with this guy, Almelor. Whatever he's doing, then it is not something na nagugustuhan ng mga tao kaya siya sinusumbong.
Tinatanong ko po, pasensya na po, habang nagsalita kayo, nakatalikod ako. I apologize for that because I just wanted to be proactive so that I can answer your question. Yes, I am told, Mr. President, that PTV is investigating the claims against Mr. Dominic Almelor to ensure the validity of claims and to give him due process. And PCO recommends to float Mr. Almelor pending the result of the investigation. Yes.
Okay.
Yun po.
That sounds good. So if float muna itong si Mr. Dominic Almelor while being investigated dun sa mga allegations
he's
against
no
him.
longer the head of news, I am told, but he's still employed. I'm not certain if he's plantilla or if it's a contract of service.
That's
Not
good enough
sure.
for us.
Yes.
That's good enough for some people who came to my office to complain. I think okay na yon.